Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this solar powered street light here. This is 1,000 watt, pretty heavy duty. I'm putting this, I'm going to be doing an installation of this also. Should be above my garage, or above my driveway there. Wow, so this thing seems fairly large actually. It's like one giant solar panel here. That's pretty crazy. Okay, then it comes with a metal pole here. Some heavy duty bolts. This features an IP66 rating, which is basically, unless you submerge it underwater, it's going to be waterproof. It has some pretty heavy duty equipment here. And it comes with a remote there. All right, so let's test this thing out, shall we? Just want to see kind of how bright this is. So there's the lighting right there. And then we have, oh, it's pretty bright actually. Let's see what this, oops. There's no batteries in there. Let me turn that off. That's pretty crazy bright. It's got a 2, 4, 6, 8. 24 of these LED things, and that put out a lot of light there. I'm going to turn off my light here in a second. See how bright it was. If I can get these batteries out, this is crazy. I can't believe I'm being defeated by a little piece of plastic. Okay, this could be pretty cool. I'm not sure if that was as bright as it gets or what. So extra heavy duty batteries here. Whoa! I'm going to turn off my light here. As you can see, it's still plenty bright here. There's 25%, 50, 75, and there's 100. And it has a timer on here. So on and off. That's pretty crazy bright. I'm going to be installing this, like I said, it's going to be up on near my roof portion and right over my driveway. I think this has, I want to say this has a motion sensor in here. Let me check out the instructions real quick. Okay, yes indeed. So if we press this little one in the middle, that's motion sensor, and that'll mean it'll go to 35% brightness. Or 30% brightness, and then if it senses any motion, it'll go to 100% brightness right away. So that's pretty cool. And then after 20 seconds, it'll go down to the 30% brightness again. So super bright. Yeah, I'm actually pretty stoked. We'll have to try to set this up tomorrow if the weather is nice, and then we'll see what it looks like at night. Okay, my friends, stay tuned for that. Okay, first thing I did was select a nice spot for my light pole to go. I'm gonna put it right there. We're in a place where we can get plenty of sunshine. Okay, so I'm going up on the ladder, so I just prepped this beforehand. It has the bolts underneath already, so I just pushed the bolts up in there and then screwed, or the nuts up inside the hole on the bottom there, and then screwed these in. That way I don't have to worry about that when I go up on the ladder. I can just slide it in there and then just tighten this down. So let's go do that. Okay, my friends, well, there we have it installed. Super easy actually to work with, not bad at all. And now I just wait for nighttime and I'll show you guys just how bright this thing is. All right, friends, well, here it is. And as you can see, it illuminates the backyard pretty good there. Let's go ahead and walk over here. There we are. Okay, so that comes on full 100% there. As you can see, it's pretty bright. Illuminates all that area really well. So pretty happy with the amount of light that puts out. You can set it, like I said, different timers for how long. It goes on for like 20 seconds with the motion detector, and then goes back down to 30%. But pretty bright there, obviously just on 30%. It illuminates. I don't have my dark video filter on or whatever, but it's putting out plenty of light there. You can see really well. Okay, my friends, well, it works pretty great. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.